everyone, welcome to nikhiskilltech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a simple C program to check if a given year is a leap year or not. Let us get started now. First of all, let us understand what is leap year is. A year is a leap year if it is evenly divisible by 4 or 100 or by 400. The only condition is the remainder should be is equal to 0. Whatever might be the quotient is, but the remainder should be is equal to 0. If I take an example of a year 2000 and I start dividing it by 400, I'll get a quotient of 5 obviously, but the remainder remains 0. The same way, if I start dividing 1900 by 400, I'll get a quotient of 4.75 and the remainder remains 300. So 1900 is not a leap year, but 2000 is a leap year. So the same way, now let us write the code. We will start by including the standard input-output library, that is #include stdio.h. Next, we will define our main function, that is int main. Inside a curly brace, our program body will start. Inside it, we will declare a data type, also the variable. So integer is our data type, year is our variable. We will be not having any decimal value inside year, so that we will declare it as an integer value, and the printf statement enter a year. Here we prompt the user to enter a year. We will ask user to enter the year and we will store the input provided by the user inside the variable year. That will be scanned by %d and %year. Now we will write the logic to check if the year is leap year or not by using if condition. If any year is divisible by 4 is equal to 0, that is remainder is equal to 0, then it is the leap year. The same condition will be applied even for the 100 and also for 400. Any year divided by 100 or by 400, the remainder remains is equal to 0, then the entered year is a leap year. Or else statement will be executed, that is printf %d, it is not a leap year. So the year will be scanned accordingly. The same way we will execute the same else statements again and again twice, that is it is a leap year and it is not a leap year. We have broken down the entire program and I have explained it to you. That is, we will first check if the year is divisible by 4 or by 100 or by 400. Any of this is got executed and the remainder remains is equal to 0, then the given year is leap year. If not, the given year is not a leap year. Finally, we will end our program with a return statement, that is return 0. We will close our curly brace, that is the end of the program body. We are closing it. Let us compile and run our program to see it in action. Now if I enter 2012, it is a leap year. It will be executed with the very first step, that is 2012 divided by 4 is equal to 0. The same way, let me check for 2021. It is not divisible by 4. Also, it is not divisible by 100 or 400 and we will not get the remainder as 0. So, given 2021 is not divisible by 4 and it is not a leap year. And that's how you can determine if a year is a leap year or not by using C programming. You can check it out with any other years on your mind. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Bye-bye.